know what, Philip? I will come back. Just for you, mate. Just for you. It's like you summoned me. You just gotta say the magic words, you know what I mean? Go on for another 3 weeks. I took the time to go for a little walk and fill up my water. Because you can't drink the tap water here. So it's like I take a big jug downstairs and I fill it up. It's good fun. Alright, well. Oh, excuse me. You know what? No. I'm not going to excuse myself. Never again. Well, I don't know. Are things feeling a bit faster? Maybe. Probably not. I guess we'll wait and see. I've decided that I'll just split up the stream VOD into 2. Easy win. Now I don't have to merge them together. Just be 2 separate uploads. Sometimes my genius astounds me. Okay. Well. Yeah, walking's always good. Just go for a little walk. Clear your head. It's good stuff. Alright, well. Well. That's my new filler word. Get rid of one, another one pops up. I think it's time for a little bit of, you know. Yeah. Let's listen to this mix while programming and see if it works. It's probably going to be too much of a dancey kind of vibe, you know? But we're still going to crank it either way.
Is it something that I said that makes you turn your head? Need me in the cold. Do you hear me from the top?
A bit loud? Yeah, let's turn it down.
Or recognize it from my phones?
How's that? I also won't be talking much, I don't think. We're just going to full focus mode. Let's go, boys. But if I were to talk right now, are we good on the volume? Where's my auto hotkey? Slightly quieter? Okay. One little slide. My auto hotkey didn't launch. I'm pissed. I'm angry. There we go. Why is it taking so long to fucking boot up? Hello? What the fuck? What is going on, dude? Oh, nothing but problems. I just freestyled this entire mix without trying any transitions ahead of time. There we go, now it's going fast. So it's a little scuffed, but it works. Alright, let's get the parallax going. Now, when I do parallax, like, basically have a second position. Although, you don't even need... You can calculate each time. You don't need to store it. Songs feel like they're not very harmonically compatible. Alright, so if it dots parallax, so render pause dot x was plus equal to whatever the
We started dancing and love put us into a groove.
So we kind of want a camera offset almost from 0. It's been a while since I've done parallax stuff before. That wasn't an English sentence. And I really can't fucking think to this, hey. It's too banging. So we're gonna fall back on the Brain FM. I'm like 1 part listening, 1 part programming, 1 part trying to judge the mix, and it's not very focus worthy, focusable, focus inducing. So we'll go back to the tried and true Brain FM. Alright, much better. Much better. Alright. What do you mean Brain FM modulation? I don't know what you mean by that. What I want to do for the music for this game actually is literally like take Brain FM and put it in the game, pretty much. That'd be sick. Not their tracks, otherwise, you know, that would be expensive. Copyright inducing. Yeah, so I want to... Well, first of all, let's just define each of the parallax layers. Environment. Alright, so this one is going to be en.parallax.x is going to be equal to... It's like negative 0.2, since it's the front layer. This one, no parallax. This one, say 0.2. This one is going to be 0.5, maybe 6. This one will be 0.8. Maybe even 9, who knows? Get a bit quirky. So let's print out this camera just to see what the value is. In fact, I don't even need to do that. I can just do gs.camera.position. Yeah. In fact, I can just print out the entire fucking camera. Why not? Just because I can, you know? Alright, so we're at negative 30. Which is, makes sense, because that's that right there. So what I want to do is kind of just encode this in like to say take away equals camera offset. Probably the best way of doing things. Zero, negative 40. It was negative 40, right? I'm not going crazy? Or was it 30? What was it, boys? Camera offset. Alright, so that should give us the same... Oh, okay. Shit's fucked. It's adding to it each frame. Love to see it. Why is that feeding back in on itself? Strange. Very strange. Oh, the Y isn't being zeroed out. So in fact, let's just zero this. Sweet. Yeah, I don't know about you, but that feels... I guess we can diff it, right? How do I check the diff? I see you. I see you, motherfucker. Raphael has a patent about the process of making his music. It's pretty cool to read. Just take different instrument frequencies and apply some filters that match the brain cycles or something like that. Yeah, shit. That's awesome. $30. I knew it was 30. Something didn't feel right. Much better. Alright, so now that we've got that, we can go camera. Diff. Dot position. Take away the camera offset, which should give us something nice. It should be at 0, 0. Okay, cool. Now when we stray from 0, 0, sweet. Uh... Hello, Neo. This is not C, this is J. Unreal game is done and dusted. Good riddance. So camera diff times random pause is equal to camera diff dot x times it by parallax dot x, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it's just in the wrong direction. So we're going to take away equals. There we go. We've got parallax. Look at that. Look how much that adds to the scene just instantly. Everything's still so fucking laggy though. I need to figure this shit out. Can you manage to keep your neck so straight? I don't know. Good monitor positioning and good height of the desk and all that kind of good stuff. Now, since this is in the opposite direction, probably needs a lot of padding, right? Also divide it up out of the layers into individual boulders. Now this probably shouldn't be 2.2. We'll just, I can't even speak, dude. Tweak this a bit. So I'll put that at 4, put you at 6, put you at 8. Actually, I didn't mean to put you at 4. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Alright, now I'm wondering how I can get a message to Frederick in a nice clean visual manner. Idea. I explain it, you guys clip it, and we'll just send it to him. Fucking 5-head, bro. Absolutely 5-head. That means I gotta do it in 30 seconds. Alright. Hello, Frederick. I've only got a limited time. Let's go. Okay, so this front layer, it's going to need to be a lot bigger because it's got the foreground parallax, right? So it's going to need to be bigger than the other ones. Next up, I reckon the play space, we can separate out the rocks here and put it onto a layer in the back. So to go from just put it on an extra layer right behind so we can have a little bit more of a step into the background. I wonder if that'll work. Just so, and we'll have the play space just be this flat plane. We could throw like a few little rocks and shit on there, but I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you think. Alright, boys, clip it. Clip and ship it. A message to Frederick. Ooh, actually, instead of making this bigger, this front layer bigger, we can just turn it into smooth rocks. Not smooth rocks, but like individual things. We'll see. Alright. Does anyone have the clip, or am I going to go in and do it myself? Let's see, how the fuck do I clip? I don't even know how to clip, dude. Need to think of a more permanent solution of communicating things visually. Because typing things down is kind of cringe. Now, there was an app for this that I found ages ago. It's really good for this, but it's kind of like paid. Async video messaging for work. Like, it's really nice, but I don't know if it's gonna be like a fucking paid thing. Or if the free trial is gonna be good. What's the pricing like? Free up to 50 creators. 25 videos per person, 5 minutes per video. That's more than enough here. Easy. Chloe, thanks, man. A man of the people. Hello, Frederick. I've only got a limited time. Let's go. Okay, so this front layer, it's going to need to be a lot bigger because it's got the foreground parallax, right? So it's going to need to be bigger than the other ones. Next up, I reckon the play space, we can separate out the rocks here and put it onto a layer in the back. So to go from just put it on an extra layer right behind so we can have a little bit more of a step into the background. I wonder if that'll work. Just so, and we'll have the play space just be this flat plane. We could throw like a few little rocks and shit on there, but I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you think. Alright, boys, clip it. Clip and ship it. Easy. I can't keep the previous stream videos on Twitch because of copyright music. Sometimes it gets muted, and then you'll be watching a clip, or you'll be watching a VOD, and it'll get muted, and it'll be like, God damn it. So if you go !VOD, you'll find my VOD's channel, and you can watch them all on YouTube. I upload them over there now. Okay, let's go to Trello, and send Mr. Frederick the update. Next up. Let's just build the game for him. Which I can do just by... What do we need? This, 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 this. Oh, need all these. Need to start putting these into a boulder thing. Okay, sweet. Build. Alright, done deal. Well, that is me done with that. So, let's move back onto the game. Look at that. Onto world dominance next. Beauty. Alright, that feels good. The build was just for Frederick, so you could hop in. Frederick's the artist, by the way. Okay, well... I need to start putting builds up as well. I think I'll start doing like weekly builds up on Patreon or something. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, I'll have to dump this all in a file. It's probably worth doing that. Let's see. What do I call it? Res? Yeah, let's call it res. Excuse me. Alright. Now, what do I want to do? I feel like kinda gotta pull one of these. Fuck. That's the one annoying thing about trying to like do the multi-cursor. If you fuck up, you're dead. Where's that assert? Font, I'm guessing. Yeah, font. Okay. There we go. Good shit. Alright. What next? Time to get back to gameplay, I guess. Oh no, gameplay, how scary. My favorite thing to do in the world. Let me start a Loom account, because that'll be really nice. Give me a sec, boys. Alright. I now have Loom. Easy. Is a clap. Another tool in the arsenal. Okay. Well. Good point. Kit? Kit? I was thinking of doing that, but I did it in the forward direction. I was like, oh. I can't do that because each of these start with a different letter, but you could do it backwards. Very true. All about perspective. What are the benefits of using Jai? I don't know. 700 millisecond build times? Good vibes? You don't want to die on a daily basis? Lots of things. Lots of things. But at the end of the day, it is just a different way of pushing logic around. And it doesn't really matter what language you use, all that matters is that you're in there doing shit. Like, I'll switch back to C in a heartbeat if this stops working for me, you know? And it'll take 10 seconds. So far, this is just fucking beautiful. So many little quality of life things. So many little quality of life things that all add up to a very pleasant experience. Like, it's just an absolute joy to work in. Okay. Now, let's work on the ogre to player damage. That seems like the next biggest thing, and then we're getting very, very close to actually having a finished demo. I need to get sound in. Sound. First pass of sound. Something like that. Basic sound pass. Get sound set up. You know what? I actually want to work on the sound now. Let's do that instead. Get sound set up. Core sound design. Or core sound effects. List out. Core sound effects. Ah yes. To-do list in the to-do list. To-do list. Make to-do list. Alright, so let's add to this to-do list. Now that we're just fucking flying along, mate. We'll say... Basic sound pass. Figure out. You know what, we'll say make sound go burr. I should really change this. Kind of like center it from the bottom. Vertical alignment, bottom. There we go. That's not really gonna work, is it? It might. Nope. Oh, actually, if I do that, and then nope. Oh, I give up. I give up. Such a non-issue. Aim points to make a separate, simple manager for picking up assets. What do you mean by that? Picking up assets? very wary of building tools. Because I've done that in the past, and it just leads to me making tools and not making a game. Like, for example, this was the old build of when I was working with Telescope, just before I switched to Jai. The ogre is disabled here, but there was the ogre in here. I built out a tool for an atlas editor, so you could like come in here, select which atlas you're going through, and you know, like these are the sprites, right? You can move them around, resize them, all that kind of stuff. So that's how you define the sprites. But what you can do instead is literally just type them out, and it'll be just as easy. So, you know, I spent a good few days making, probably a week in total, making all of that with, with the sprite editor, where it's like, alright, we'll just, in 10 seconds, just write this out, you know. So yeah, I'm very wary of making tools now, unless it's something that I 100% know is going to benefit me long term. It's a very common operation that I do over and over and over and over again. That is a significant bottleneck. But usually the bottleneck is in the tools. The bottleneck is, how do we make a good game? Which is a lot harder than trying to make tools. And that's why a lot of people just like making tools, including myself. Including my past self. I just prefer game design though. Like it's hard, but it's the right kind of hard. I don't even know what I'm saying, dude. Get sound set up. Let's do it. What kind of libraries we got for sound in here? Should we pull an F mod? Probably overkill. What do we got for sound? Leading textures, sounds, etc. in a memory in the form of objects, more convenient work with pipeline editor. Can really solve the problems of assets. Yeah, again, it's a tool thing. And I don't want to be working on tool things, because it means you're not actually making the game. Because you can be like, oh yeah, well, let me just go finish this tool and then I'll make the game. But then you finish the tool and then you move on to the next one, you're like, oh, now I gotta go do this and this and this. So, yeah. I'm not gonna do anything until I need to absolutely do it. So what do we got in here? There's gotta be some kind of sound playing thing. Transpile back to C? Eh. Not really. It's easy enough to just rewrite it, you know? Like it's hardly 1,000 lines so far. Like it'll take a day or two at most. I wonder if I should be reading examples or something. Module info. Philip, do you know of anything that can play sound in the GI modules? Or am I gonna have to do some Fmod bindings? I don't really want to do it. I fucking hate Fmod, dude. I was using it in Unreal Engine because I was like, hey, I'm gonna use Fmod in the future, so I may as well pull an Fmod and use it in Unreal Engine. It was just it's so fucking. The UI is at some points unusable. Like I was trying to use a slider at some point and it just wasn't fucking working. I got so pissed off. Sound player. The invaders example. Yeah, I knew there was gonna be an example of it somewhere. Invaders, there we go. What do we got here? I still need to go through the examples, dude. Yeah, I got some mixer sound data stuff. I'm like 3/4 of the way through the how-to. I still need to go through the how-to. Load sound. It's cool, I just put it in the main. Interesting. Mix the sound data, load audio file, data, return data, mix the sound data, load audio file, gives you a mix of sound data, which comes from sound player. Or actually, this is just a custom function. Load audio file, mix the sound data, read entire file. File data. This gives you like just a pointer to some data or something. A string, which is really just a pointer to a buffer. So we get a file data buffer. And then what we do with that is what exactly? I check for the extension. Okay, so if it's a WAV, mix the sound data. Just copy over the buffer into the mixer sound data. And just do some WAV header stuff. Probably just do OGG. Instead of just loading in the WAV. PCM. OGG looks easier. So what's this whole mix of sound data thing? Where are we? Yeah, we're in the sound player. Better for 9 months, still haven't gone through it all. Catch you later, Koi. I got up to memory management. I haven't gone past that. Alright, cool. So it seems pretty well built. Pretty, it's not the word, pretty expansive. Inclusive. So we're just gonna run with this, I guess. Oh, alrighty. Alright, let's see if we can speed run the shit out of getting this sound working. Let's go! What are you working on these days, Philip? If you're still here? I think I might have stopped by one of your streams at some point. Maybe I'm thinking of a different Philip. I think I've seen you around. Let's toggle code blocks with... I do sound with sounds, so you can delete change it later. Yeah, that's a good point. Alright, let's get it. Sound player. We'll just go through the embeddeds example and just copy the fuck out of it. Maybe we should do the WAV. I don't know. Sound balls. My favorite. Excuse me? Oh. Landscape, that's right. It's like happen lands or something like that. You and me both, Philip. You and me both. I was literally talking to him before the stream. And it was like, hey, bro, I just want to put my game to try, man. I'll be like, that's going to take a lot of effort. You're going to have to get it going for the web. But it would be kind of hype. Okay. Why does my shit keep dying? It's so inconsistent, my fucking auto hotkey script. Like, what's going on? Why is it taking you 10 seconds to launch? I guess we'll never know. What the fuck? Have a debugger? Yeah, I do. I run it through Remedy BG every time I run. Don't know what it's getting caught up on though. Don't know why it's been so slow. Might be Windows Defender. Maybe let's add an exclusion, see if it does something. Jesus Christ. Actually, I don't even know where to put this. Just do my whole fucking folder. God. Still shitting the bed. It's not the actual startup that's the issue. I don't think. It might be. No, because if we run it directly through Remedy, just by hitting the Remedy start, then it's fine. But if I'm trying to do a hotkey, it hates me. Let me reload the script. No. Still fucking my day up. What if we add an exclusion for auto hotkey? I don't know where this shit gets run, but who knows? It's fucking pissing me off. Like literally all the script is doing is just going run remedy BG, start debugging. Now, alright, it's going through run, so that's probably it. if I had to guess. Still faster than Unity. Like it's consistently bad now. I don't think it had anything to do with that, but that's so strange. Fucking hell, dude. Alright. I'm gonna stop streaming because it's probably has something to do with my CPU just eating shit. You just hear the fans whirring in the background. It might be worth... Alright, I'm just gonna adjust the script real quick. And instead of doing this, I'm gonna... Well, first of all, give me some sugar. Second, let's go win activate. We'll activate Randy command. And then send. We'll do it the fucking caveman way. Just how my ancestors. Oh. Win active 8. Just how my ancestors intended. Okay, that's very fast. Now I've also got to send enter. Enter. There we go. Alright. Done deal. That'll just work. Now, I also want to do the opposite. Stop debugging. And I also just want to activate Sublime again. I'd say. So we hit F3 again. Bang, there we go. Alright, now we're in fucking business. Never gonna have some shitty goddamn stuff happen again. I don't even know what's happening, so I can't say what it is. If I knew what was happening, I knew how to fix it. That's alright though, that's alright. Well, we're back in business, boys. I take it back. We are not cancelling the stream. I'm not gonna be defeated by a little fucking a mere auto hotkey bug, alright? Improvise, adapt, overcome. as Bear Grylls would say. I like the Bear Grylls of programming. Alright. Fast. Speed. Alright, hey. Well, let's get a nice sound going, shall we? We go dumpster diving for a sound to play. Where am I going to find a sound? Never mind, already found one. Perfect. Alright. Let's get this bad boy set up. Can't reveal my trump card of the sound. Alright. Sound. Search for everything to do with sound, and one by one, get the sound player going. So we set up the sound player. I don't know what update history means, but sure. Let's do it. Randall was pretty good, Slav. Pretty good. Rad. G'day, mate. G'day. Hope you're doing well. Just about to do something. That's right. I'm gonna have a different fucking... We need some action. Let's play this. There we go. Alright, boys. Let's fucking get it. Let's fucking get it, mate. I want to order food on my phone, but my phone has been used as a camera. That's rough. Conundrum. Guess I'm just not gonna eat. Who needs food anyway when you've got programming? Alright, sound player, new sound player, soundplay.update history. Okay, load sound. What are we gonna do here? Let's just fucking dump it in. Dump it in, mate. Go on, get on in there, mate. Get in there. Oh god. Oh god. The indentation. My arch nemesis. Not today, fucker. Okay. Load sound. Alright, we're gonna go into res. .wav. Load audio file. Okay. Easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Do you know what I'm saying? Now we need a load sound, so let's see what's in the oh, not load sound, load audio file. Which is just copied directly from the examples, I'd say. Sick. Don't mind if I do. Put this in recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Load sound, well, you know what? We'll also put this in the recycle. Oops. Can't fail to copy. Fucking love this song. You know, it's hardly a song. Get out of here. Come on, come on. Give me a new line for the braces. What if I could do this? That's what I'm fucking talking about. Shit. Oh, I'm being cucked. Oh, wait. Uncucked. There we go. Much better. Much better. You know what? Let's not even format it. I take back all that hard work. I'm gonna keep it like this just so you know I haven't fucking written it. There we go. We're gonna mix and match styles like a Chad. Read entire file name is not a thing. Read entire file. Alright. Enlighten me. Read entire file. Boop. Is in the file module. Import file? Yeah, I'd say so. Okay, WAV. We've got to import the WAV as well. WAV file. Okay, okay. I'm going to clear identifier WAV. It's a bit tricky. WAV. There we go. WAV and OG. OG. Alright, we are compiling. So now, we've got the load audio file done. Now, what's next? Sound, player, load sound, cool. I've got to load the sound in, of course. Of course, mate, of course. Fucking BIM. Sound underscore balls is equal to load sound sound.wav. Halted, you say? halted. Of course means we got an error. Which I'm just going to assert on. Oops. That's not my code. Ah. Are we chill? What the fuck just happened? Are we seriously running into the same issue now? Why? What the fuck is going on? Something fishy's going on. I can smell it. Alright. Kebab. Thanks, mate. Catch you later. Hope you're doing well. See you later, Philip. Best of luck, mate. Just starve like a real software dev. I order food through food ordering app. Oh, it's cool. I dumped out a stack trace. That's really cool. Res sound.wav.wav. Well, that makes sense. That makes sense. Goodbye. Holy shit, why am I running into this now? What is happening, dude? Like, it only happens when AutoHotkey does it as well. Like... Alright, never mind. It's not an AutoHotkey thing. It's a fucking Windows Defender probably just being like, oh, are you sure you can do that? It's got something to do with Remedy. In fact, maybe if we add an exclusion to Remedy, maybe that'll solve our issues. Maybe. You never know. Virus and threat protection. Please protect me from myself. Please, God. Slow my fucking computer down. Because I'm definitely just trying to cuck myself. Okay. Folder. I'd say process. Okay, maybe not process. Maybe a file. Programs. Remedy. No. Let's go folder. Yep, computer knows I'm a menace. Fucking hell, dude. This is really pissing me off. Well, I guess we can see if it's actually Windows Defender. Anti-malware service executable. Yep, it just fucking revs up. Revs up to like 5% and then it drops down. Fucking hell, dude. RemedyBG.exe. I mean, it's right there. It's got an exclusion. It's directly on the file then. Bang. Bang. Are we Gucci now? Are you gonna still fucking hate me? Yes, you are. Oh my god. Well, maybe I'll perish. Maybe I'll just go be a barista again, you know? I'm just not cut out for this. Fuck. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Toxos, thanks for the prime, mate. Thank you. I don't even know why it's happening. Alright, well, I'm just gonna stop the stream because apparently Windows just doesn't want me to work. Like, I'm not gonna fucking... Alright, well, then it just happens instantly. Like, what changed between now and 10 seconds ago? You know? It's like the moment I'm about to give up, it just starts working. Alright. Let's see. Problem is, sometimes it takes like 5 seconds for me to run the game through Remedy. Because I have an auto hotkey script, I press a button and it sends some commands to run the game through Remedy, BG, which is the editor, or the debugger. And sometimes it just freezes for 5 seconds and takes ages, and I don't know why. Okay, so next up, sound. What are we doing? Well, we're loading audio file. Play sound. Init sound player. Right. Well, that is the init that I want, so. Sound player, Hwin, do async, global focus, okay, yep. Does it even... It says incomplete. It's supposed to return a bool whether it was successful or not. Return result. I'm going to assume that we're all good. Result equal true. Result equal false. So we're only going to be bad if... Sound handle cannot be initialized. Yeah, I'm chill. Great success. Alright. Now, play sound. Sound balls. Now, I think, yep. Play sound's another thing I'm gonna have to make. Play sound, yep. Okay. Perturb. I wonder what perturb means. No clue. Repeat? Exist forever? Who knows? Random get within range. It's probably PCG or random.jai. PCG random non-generator. PCG random non-generator instead. -std. This is like a less scuffed version of random. We'll just use random. Import random. Moment of truth. No sound. That's okay, that's okay. We're not calling any update yet, so let's not get ahead of ourselves, alright? Let's pipe down. Update sound player. Put that in as well. So update sound player, I feel like we just call every single frame. And that is everything we need. Moment of truth. Not quite. Lock. We also need async stuff. Thread. I would say thread would do the trick. Current DT. Why the fuck is there entity updates happening in here? Excuse me? Pre-entity update, post-entity update. Oh, they're everything in the sound player. So there's sound entities in there. Get our own DT if the user does not pass one. Well, I'll go fuck myself. You want the DT, hey? You really want the DT. The current DT. You should have it right here. I like this. I like this. Me like. Okay, the current DT actually eats shit straight away. It gets updated by the now tick lost. Update sound player current DT, and it doesn't actually even use the current DT, or it doesn't use the DT because reasons. Moment of truth.
Oh.
That did work. Play. Take two. Are you guys ready?
My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff.
Yeah. Alright, we got sound.
My name is Jeff.
I do that all day. Alrighty, well, that's sound. That is sound all set up, hooked in. Next up, got to list out all the core sound effects that I need, which I'll do that tomorrow, since that'll be a nice easy thing to start the day off with. It's always good to have a nice little thing to just slip back into, without too much umming and ahhing. That's why I just finished the sound setup, and I didn't want to leave that till tomorrow. Because then you like rock up, you're like, oh no, I gotta set up the sound system. How am I gonna do that? But we've already done it. We've already done it. My name is Yet. Man's clearly uncultured.
My name is Jeff.
Clearly uncultured. It sounds pretty shit though, right? Like it doesn't sound very high def. Don't know what the go is.
My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff.
To be fair,
My name is Jeff.
nah, it's the same. It's just a shitty sample. For your reference, Rad.
My name is Jeff.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Alrighty, well. That's that. Thanks for tuning in, boys. We'll see if, there's no way Cameron's still streaming. If he's still streaming, then man's insane. What the fuck, cunt? Does he sleep? Bro. Alright, well, we're gonna go raid Cameron. Go say hi to Crikey for me, boys. Crikey. Fucking crikey, mate. Jesus. Make sure you hit the foe as well. He's an excellent programmer. And he's actually going to be coming to do a bit of work on Arcane in the future. So, going to be seeing a lot more of him around. In fact, we're going to be doing a podcast on Sunday, so stay tuned. Go say hi for me, boys. Stay safe. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.